Okay, so moving into our top two, we're at our second place. What do we have?
So it's about the chip shortage, and this is actually kind of a grouping of multiple articles that we've run in the past year, and the chip shortage has forced in the past year, the chip shortage forced Ford to halt production at 8 of its assembly plants. GM had something like 95,000 vehicles fully assembled out in a parking lot waiting for a chip. Um, it's not Stellantis had to idle some of its assembly plants. Nissan talked about losing production this year, not being able to produce as many cars as it wanted. And it's not just the automakers. Whirlpool had to shut down one of its assembly plants for lack of supply. This problem is ongoing, and it's going to continue. Um, the war in Ukraine, as it turns out, is going to affect supply of some of the gases used to produce chips. We have that problem, which is not going to get resolved anytime soon, unfortunately. So the good news is that this summer, President Biden signed into law the CHIPS Act, and this is going to provide up to $52 billion to support domestic production of semiconductors. And already we're seeing fruits of that. ASC Technology is building a fab in Texas. Micron is building a fab in Idaho. Wolfspeed and Hemlock Semiconductor are also building new facilities here in the U.S. So help is on the way. You can't just build a chip fab overnight, but help is on the way. So hopefully we can get some of those supply chain problems fixed.